So let's try to graph this, tan of 2x. So again, I'm going to draw out first my graph of just tan x. And we said last time the graph of tan x is just a period of pi. And it goes from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. And we use those as cutoffs because it gives us nice, even asymptotes. And then it kind of looks like an x cubed graph. To the left, it follows the asymptote down. To the right, it follows the asymptote up. Okay, so we know that this is in front of the x. If it's in front of the x, it affects my horizontal stretch or shrink. In this case, my period of tan is pi, but like cosine and sine, it's going to be divided by whatever is affecting that horizontal stretch or shift. So it's going to be divided by a factor of 2. So my period is going to be pi over 2. And like we did with the last cosine one, I can just divide each part of this by 2 to see where it lies. So instead of having an asymptote at pi over 2, the asymptote's actually going to be at pi over 4. Instead of having an asymptote at negative pi over 2, if I divide that by 2, we'll get negative pi over 4. And 0 divided by 2 is still 0, so still going to go through there. Still going to go right and follow the asymptote up, and left and follow the asymptote down. So just shrunk it.